Ahoy, and welcome to our fellow shipwreck enthusiasts. Starting in January 2025, here on the Shipwreck Sirens Sea Stories channel, you will find tragic shipwreck sea disasters beyond the Titanic are the order of the day. My name is Circe, and along with my friends Lorelei and Coral, we are the Shipwreck Sirens here to present to you these sea tales we have long found sorrowful yet fascinating, and we shall be doing it in a decisively unique way.
Like you, we absolutely love and are fans of the documentary YouTube channels featuring shipwrecks and the great vessels of the sea past and present.
But we wish to stake a claim of our own in this fascinating niche of shipwreck sea disasters. Circe, Lorelei, and I will be embracing an old-school style of storytelling, like YouTubers such as Mr. Ballin and other wonderful storytellers found on this platform.
No expert interviews.
No newsreel footage.
No on-site location visits.
Just a gripping tale of a harrowing long-ago shipwreck presented through the pure power of the spoken word, igniting the boundless imagination that lies within you, our viewers.
We hope to harken back to the way storytelling was done in centuries past, before radio, movies and TV. This will not be a documentary channel. Rather, we will be presenting our maritime content in an approach we label docudrama narratives.
You will be placed on the bridge in those terrifying seconds, before an unavoidable collision resulting in a maritime disaster.
You will stand shoulder to shoulder with a young sailor as his vessel burns around him, with no apparent hope of escape.
Or we will put you amidst a mob on a canting deck during life-or-death scrambles to secure one of the dwindling number of seats in a lifeboat. In joining us, you will find so much more as well. Myths and legends. Intriguing what-if scenarios when it comes to the long and dangerous history of the seven seas. And other surprising maritime content as well.
We invite you to subscribe now in anticipation of our videos, posting twice weekly as we roll out the channel.
The three of us welcome all those seeking entertainment or education, because our videos are tailored to accomplish both.
It's time to cast off now, but we hope we'll see you soon.